Now let's take a look at nouns that change spelling. Some nouns change their spelling when they become plural. Let's take a look at the examples below. On the left-hand side, we have singular nouns, and on the right-hand side, we have the plural nouns. The first example we have is the word goose. That is the singular form. When we look at the plural form, it becomes geese. The next example we have is the word mouse. To make it plural, it becomes mice. The last example, we have the word woman. When we make it plural, it becomes women. These words do not follow the typical rule of adding s or es, but instead, it completely changes their spelling.